Okay, now let's use the Coulomb's law in calculation. So F K Q1 Q2 over D squared. Please don't forget the square below. Suppose that 2-point charges, each with a charge of 1 coulomb, are separated by a distance of 1 meter. Alamin mo daw yung F. So both of them are 1 coulomb, 1 meter. Don't forget to square. K is 9 times 10 to the 9th Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. Okay? Let me bring you to the calculator so that alam mo kung paano i-input yung mga exponents. So 9. This is I'm inputting the K. No? When you want to put the times 10, the easier way is to click on the E. Lalabas yun ng or click on the EXP or the exponent. Lalabas yun ng E sa screen. And then click the 9. This already means 9 times 10 to the 9. Okay? Times 1 coulomb times 1 coulomb divided by 1 square. Okay, so you have a lot. Diba? Click this one, the ENG or the engineering. Makukuha mo yung engineer mode. Makukuha mo yung kanyang value in scientific notation. So 9 times 10 to the 9th. That's the answer. 9 times 10 to the 9th Newton. Of course, you would expect that kasi 1 lang yung mga ginamit mong values. This is only for demonstration, no? How you will use the Coulomb's law. Usually, you will not find this unit of Coulomb. Diba, ang laki ng force kapag kahit 1 coulomb lang siya. So, usually, ang binibigay ay nanocoulomb or microcoulomb. Ang symbol noon ay N, small n, C. This one is mu, and then C. Pag nanocoulomb, times 10 to the negative 9 yung coulomb mo. Kapag micro, times 10 to the negative 6 yung coulomb mo. Let's encounter that here. 2 balloons are charged with an identical quantity and type of charge. Okay, so basta same charge. Negative pala yun. 6.25 nanocoulomb. They are held apart at a separation distance of 61.7 centimeter. Careful about that unit. Determine the magnitude of electric force of repulsion between them. D squared. So F, 9 times 10 to the 9th Newton meter squared over Coulomb squared. Both of them are 6.25. So negative 6.25 times 10 to the negative 9 Coulomb. Okay, medyo nagipit ako sa space. 6.25 times 10 to the negative 9 Coulomb divided by D squared. So I will move the decimal place two times or 2 places to the left because there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Excuse me. Okay, don't forget the square. Okay, let me go back to the calculator. So again, 9E9 times negative 6.25 times negative 8. Sorry, 9 kasi nanocoulomb. Times, again, I will repeat it kasi pares yung magnitude ng charge. Go down, 0.617 square. This is my answer. Again, I go to engineering. So the scientific notation is, the better one is this one, 9.23 times 10 to the negative 7. 9.23 times 10 to the negative 7 newtons. Cancel the units. Okay? I think it's actually better if you go straight to the calculator kasi may mga square and then maliliit yung numbers. So, it's better if you go straight to the calculator. Okay, you also notice that the value will be positive, di ba? Although you have 2 negatives here. Kasi, again, negative times negative will be positive. That means na kapag nakakuha ka ng positive electric force, it's actually telling you that the force is repulsive. Okay? Kasi negative and negative, that will be positive. Positive times positive, that will be positive again. That tells you that you have same charges. Or, yes, objects that are of the same charge. Let's try another one. So this one, they are opposite in charge. So, micro naman tayo. Fk Q1 times Q2 divided by D squared. Let's leave greater space para hindi tayo magipit. Newton meter squared, Coulomb squared times Q1. O, dapat hindi na mag-appear yung micro. Dapat gagawin ko na siyang times 10 to the negative 6 times negative 8.21 times 10 to the negative 6 Coulomb divided by okay, I was careless. I actually need to solve for the distance, determine the separation distance between the two balloons. And I am actually given with the value for the force. The value for the force is 0.0626 newtons. Okay, paano ko babaguhin yung formula ko? Okay, Q1, Q2 divided by D squared. I will multiply both sides by D squared to cancel it here. Now it is placed here. But then now I have F together with D squared. Divide both sides by F. So I can cancel the F. This is now my formula. D squared K Q1 Q2 over F. To remove the square, I have to put it in the square root. Ayun. Now you have an equation for D. Pagpalitin ko lang pala yun. Okay. So, actually, I should write D equals square root of 9 times 10 to the negative 9 Newton meter squared for Coulomb squared, 3.37 times 10 to the negative 6 Coulomb, negative 8.21 times 10 to the negative 6 Coulomb, 0.0626 Newton. Oh, now dapat careful ako dito. Kasi magne-negative, but you can't get a square root for a negative number, diba? Because of this negative 8.21. Dapat I had the intuition to put a negative sign here. Diba? Based kanina, kapag negative yung value ng F ko, that only means that the force is attractive, which is the case here. Positive and negative. So, initiative ko na maglagay ng negative doon sa baba. Para negative over negative, that will become positive. Okay, let me get to the calculator. So, I clicked the square root. I clicked the fraction. 9e9 times 8.21 times 10 to the negative 6 times, sorry, that should be negative, times 3.87, 37 actually, times 10 to the negative 6 the Newton, 0.0626, put the negative sign. Times 10 to the negative 6, 3.37 times 10 to the negative 6, 0. Sorry, I put the wrong Newton, 0.0626. This is the correct answer, 1.99. Pag times 10 to the 0, huwag na ilalagay yun. That's equal to 1. 1.99 meters. Chincha, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. It shouldn't be negative 9. I already told you that. It's positive 9. Okay. Okay, the first one I was correct. 9, 9. Okay, please don't be confused. 9. Positive 9, not negative 9. Okay, this one is for the next one. Good luck. I'll see you there.